Don't mind me, guys, just trying to rizz y'all up a little bit so y'all watch my series, episode 6, starting right now. Hey guys, it's Chris with Tech Vibe, and today we are on episode 6 of Flipping PCs until we can buy our dream car. Now, for those of you that aren't familiar with this series, we are after this vehicle right here. This is a DMC Delorean made famous by the movie Back to the Future, and we are going to be trying to buy this car by just simply flipping PCs. This was always a movie that just made me want some memorabilia from it. It had so many cool things at the time that was supposed to be futuristic, from the vehicle to the hoverboard to the shoes. I still want those dang shoes, so after we finish up this series, we might try to see if we can get them shoes too, which are expensive. But nonetheless, we are gonna be flipping PCs until we can buy one of these things. $50,000, gonna take a lot of flipping PCs, but we can get it done. So for today's build, here's our parts that we've got. We've got the X570 AORS Master, a Ryzen 3700X, a RX 6600 from XFX. We've got a Corsair case here in the white. Going for like a stormtrooper type of build right now. We've got the Corsair AIO. We'll come back to this here shortly. We got 4 Corsair fans, 6 in total. We got 2 terabyte M.2, and we've got white Corsair Vengeance RAM. This is a Corsair Vengeance, Corsaired out build is what we got going on right here. Some white cable combs and a 600 power supply. So I just realized something. Even though 600 watts is enough to power this whole setup, the power supply, being non-modular, is actually screwing me here. Well, it doesn't have enough hookups for the board itself, because the board takes 2 8-pins to power. That's a problem. So I guess we need a different power supply. Our $20 power supply just became more expensive. Damn it. All right, so here's the situation. 3 out of the 4 power supplies that I currently have in my possession do not have enough CPU power ports to power this motherboard, which is a problem. So I've got a Seasonic 750 right here, modular, which, you know, has enough power and it has enough ports, but I don't have enough cords. So I've basically been scouring the marketplace to find someone to sell me a power supply at a ridiculously cheap price, which I've not had much success with. These people want fair prices for some reason, and I don't want to give it to them. I need the cheap deals. Anyways, we'll come back, we'll find a solution. It's just, we're gonna have to spend a little bit more money to do it, so. 2 weeks later. All right, so it's been a couple of days and we had to hunt down a deal and do some skiing this past weekend, but we are back and we have located a replacement power supply. Power supply we were able to get is an EVGA 650 watt G Supernova, and we got this thing for 40 bucks. Now I was able to find a better power supply, a 750 watt for $20, which is obviously the better deal, but we're gonna be using that deal for a different PC build because I'm gonna use it for something that's a little bit more demanding of a card. This RX 6600, 650 is gonna be plenty for this system, I believe, so we're gonna roll with that. So let's go over the prices for everything that we paid. We paid $80 for the RX 6600, which is a freaking steal. Love that for us. We paid 140 bucks for the Ryzen 3700X and the X570 AORS Master and 16 gigabytes of RAM, which we don't actually have in there. We have right here. We paid $40 for this 2 terabyte M.2 on the TikTok shop. Actually got a freaking steal right there for this. Then for our cables here, cable extensions, actually, we paid 20 bucks. And for these fans here, these 4 Corsair fans, we paid another $30, I wanna say. I'll double check. You'll see whatever's on the screen, so we'll know which one it is. And then for this AIO, this Corsair AIO, we paid 50 bucks. Now, if you remember with the AIO, I did talk about buying this last episode from someone, and I'm not 100% sure that it's working correctly, just like we had that issue with the motherboard before. Hopefully everything works and we don't need to take extreme cautions like we thought we were going to do last video. And last but not least, the case I paid, I want to say 30 bucks for. It's been a while, so I'm not sure. I think that was $30. In total, we spent about $400. I think we can sell this PC for like $750 to $700 bucks. So let's get to it. All right, so I got a bit of a curveball I wanted to throw in here. So the system's pretty much done, just got to put the GPU in. But I was thinking, why not vertical mount this thing? Because it's got a spot for it right here. And why not? Because I can, and I've got two vertical mounts right here that I'll probably never use, so why not do it? I think we're gonna do it. Okay, so this thing came out tough. I mean, look at that. This thing looks good. I don't think we should have any problems trying to get what we want for it. Just need to make sure we show this thing playing some good games at some high rates, which should absolutely be able to do. But let's let these games get installed and then we'll test it out. For show. Testing that for show. Quality is high. Terrain on max. Everything's on high.
Potential clear to engage.
Get the FPS.
Taking effective fire. I'm
Nice
solid,
shot, buddy. Thing murdered it. Ray tracing off. Oh shit. I don't have ammo. Okay, so finally this PC's getting sold. I was really wondering if I was gonna have to drop the price on this thing, but I didn't, and I'm glad. So selling this thing for $750. Gonna go meet the dude now. Gonna go sell this bad boy. It's kind of weird because most of my customers so far have been people that are in the military, and I don't hate it. Let's go sell this PC. I'm recording, just so you know. Check it out, feel free. That's everything comes with it.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man. It only did multiples of 200.
That's what I was telling you. It wouldn't let you do it all at once. One, two,
It should be
three.
750, man.
All right, cool. You can start taking it. So
Thank you, man.
yeah. All right. Enjoy. Let me know if you got any questions. So anything comes up or whatever, I'll help you out.
PCs and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. All day. So I can help you easy.
I appreciate that, man.
Yeah.
Thank you, dude.
Hold me closer, little casual. So how much are we in? How much did we make? We are in $400 on the system, and our profit today, $350. Not a bad day. Guys, I'll take 350 profit all day. How do we keep doing it? I don't know. We're gonna keep doing it till we get this DeLorean, and then we might keep doing it again, and I don't know, we'll figure out something else to buy. Now we're a few episodes into this series, and we have definitely made some pretty good profit. I'm happy with it, and we're gonna continue to do this, guys. If there's something else you guys would like to see added to this, let me know. I'm not afraid of criticism and notes, you know, guys. I want this stuff to be good, to work out, people enjoy it, and you know, this all around just be a great experience. If you have some notes, criticism, some stuff you'd like to see, if I can work it in, I'm gonna do that. Now, if you're somebody that would like to be a part of this process, you have some PC parts you'd like to donate to the cause, feel free to reach out. Not necessary in any sort of way, don't feel obligated at all. This is just me opening the door for someone that may possibly want to be involved in the process. So just throwing it out there. Guys, I hope you can like, I hope you can subscribe, and if not, I hope to catch you in the next one. And remember, it's a vibe, a tech vibe, specifically. We'll see you.